Hey guys! Visualization is a craftsmanship that everyone can manage to learn. At the same time, it's true that drawing a straight line is an essential skill to master this craftsmanship. In this video, I show you how to draw a straight line.
In order to draw a straight line, you need the right body posture, 2 anchor points and a bit of calmness. I know it sounds a bit like yoga. I show you what I mean. So we would like to draw the house of Younito together. And we need out of our Younito bag the pencil and the outliner. The pencil is for the anchor points and the outliner for the line itself. Right, let's get started what I mean. First we draw the anchor points. But as you can see them with a pencil, I use the marker for that as well. So here is the anchor point and the other anchor point is over here. After you have drawn in those supporting anchor points, we now draw the line from A to B. And you might notice what I do. I shift my weight from the left foot to the right foot. And that's exactly how we draw the line. Let me show you. From A to B. So how do you draw a straight vertical line? Well, we start again with our anchor points. Let me show you. Here is our start and our anchor point is down here. And as you might have already seen, it doesn't help if you shift your weight from left to right if we want to draw a vertical line. Here we bend our knees to achieve that. Let me show you. From start, body posture strong, straight, hold onto the board, slowly down. And as we need 2 lines for our Younito house, we do the same on the right again. Let me show you. Here's our start, here's our anchor point, and now we repeat it from start to finish. At the beginning I said we draw the house of Younito, and a nice house needs a nice roof. So let's find the anchor point for the roof. For a smaller shape, like this little lines here, we don't move left or right or go down and up. We stay focused on the 2 sides of our start and finish, be centered in the middle, and hold the pen steady so that we have a strong line. And then we draw the line down, turn the pen 90 degrees the opposite way in our hand, here, and draw the other way. Let me show you. From here we have the pen with the thick line pointing this way, going down to our finish point. Now we move our body to the right finish point here, staying stable from start to finish.